Nagkainitan noon, magkakampi na ngayon. Manny Pacquiao versus Pia Cayetano. Balikan natin itong video na ito mga kababayan at sana naman doon sa mga nakapagpasya na o magpapasya pa lang na at ikinukonsider na ibalik itong si Manny Pacquiao sa Senado, mahimasmasan sana kayo. Ganito po ang performance ng isang Manny Pacquiao doon sa Senado. Panoorin natin.
Hindi ko kaya with all due humility as a mother na pondohan ang isang sports office specific to one sport only, tapos itong ibang offices na ilalagay ang mga batang nasa kalye at mahanapan sila ng bahay, hindi pa natin napopondohan din. And again, the other example I gave was the health expenses and the education expenses. So I rest my case on that point, Mr. President, because
Thank you, Mr. President.
unless we can pinpoint that GAB is unable to perform its function, then we should not be entertaining a bill that is creating a similar agency that will duplicate functions. Even if we say the goal is to add certain functions, then with all due respect, I would like and I would love to, and I am offering my services to His Honor to work with him, at least for the time being during this pandemic, to be responsible during the time of this pandemic, to create a fund within GAB and for the amateurs, which I think is the primary concern of His Honor. I think I hope His Honor would be willing to consider that.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, unang-una, this bill is already approved in the last Congress, 17th Congress. Hindi ito new, Mr. President, hindi ito tiniming sa dahil sa pandemya, ganyan. Existing na po ito, na-approve na po ito nung 17th Congress po, nabalik ito kasi hindi pa na-approve sa lower house. At pangalawa po, kung budget ang pag-uusapan natin, alam naman natin siguro kung ang budget diyan, kung pwede nating siyempre alam natin kung paano maglaan ng budget dito. Hindi naman ito, it can be less than 100 or less than the budget of the GAB. Yan po ang point dito. Pero and also to clarify po, kasi I thought from the beginning of the interpretation of this measure, I thought it's the good lady from Taguig, it's already, he will ask question for a clarificatory question. But I think this is not my understanding right now, correct me if I'm wrong, my understanding right now is this is not a clarificatory question, this is a opposing the bill. So that's my understanding.
Kaya nga nandyan kayo nagdedebate kayo kasi merong mga hindi pabor sa bill. Yan ay trabaho mo pagtanggol. Bakit parang nasaktan ka na instead na clarificatory, tila baga ino-oppose niya. Karapatan naman lahat ng mga senador na kung feeling nila ay ayaw nila dyan sa bill na yan kasi hindi naman talaga kailangan, talagang i-oppose talaga nila.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Thank you, Mr. President.
Mr. President, thank you for His Honor's clarificatory question. If my interrogation or interpellation is clarificatory or ano yung sinabi niya, opposing. If His Honor will recall from the start, I always would begin by please educate me. I have always been collaborative, and again, I'm very proud to have worked with amazing mentors who trained me. Again, I will mention our minority floor leader, Senator Delon. Maiiyak ako because some of my mentors have passed away, Senator Flavier, Senator Joker Arroyo, Senator Nene Pimentel, Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago, and Senator Angara. And what I've learned from them is that no matter how beautiful our concept and idea is, there is collective wisdom. We have so much to gain when we work together. And my seatmate here, who has moved farther than me, I don't know kung nilalayuan niya ako, si Senator Gatchalian, is witness to the fact, if you listen to his amendments, I think 75% of the amendments that he read on the floor were mine. Hindi sa magaling ho ako, but it's because I've also had experience working in that field. And so, it is not true that I simply want to oppose. I have started always by saying, please educate me. Please enlighten me. So definitely ho, clarificatory yun. Ngayon, kung hindi niyo nasasagot ang tanong ko, then that is the time I will conclude, and that is the time you will hear me say, well, with all due respect, I disagree. With all due respect, ito naman ang opinion ko. I hope you would consider it because hindi niyo nasagot yung tanong ko. So going back to the questions on the powers of GAB, bakit ho natin hindi ma-amend yun? I do not understand why His Honor is not amenable to amending the powers of GAB so that they can be more responsive to the needs that he sees has to be addressed. It is irresponsible for us to put in fundings for a new agency when we
Gagi, nirat-rat ni Pia
cannot even say that this other agency is not performing their job well. We did not even give them that mandate.
Mr. President,
So that is
may
the proper way to go.
Pero alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang, kahit nasa kahit nasa slate siya ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. I'm considering Pia Cayetano, no? Na para maging ibalik sa pagiging senador.
And if I may just finish before I give the floor back to His Honor said that he has been
Hindi pa pala siya tapos. Rat-ratan na to.
answering this question since the 17th Congress. Let me point out two very important facts. I was not a member of the Senate in the 17th Congress. And yes, I have stood up so many times defending a bill and answered repeatedly questions that my colleagues ask because they want to understand it from their perspective. Kahit na 10 beses ko na sinagot yun sa ibang kasamahan natin. I tried to make it easier by studying the interpellation in the 17th Congress para maintindihan ko din kung anong napag-usapan doon. And I will pinpoint, my dear sponsor, that there are certain provisions that are new in this version that you filed in the 18th Congress that were not present in the version in the 17th Congress. So you cannot say, His Honor cannot tell us that it is the same and basahin ko na lang yung dati. Iba ng bill to eh. Kahit basahin ko yung dati, may mga bagong provision to. On the creation, the commission is directly under the administrative supervision of the Office of the President in this 18th Congress. Yung bill niya said has a different kind of wording under the 17th Congress. The composition of the members are different. There are exemptions from taxes and fees in the 18th Congress that are not present
Masyado mo namang pinagmumukhang itong wala siyang naintindihan dyan sa mga pinagsasasabi mo.
in the 17th Congress. There are compensations of professional boxing and combat sports that are present in the 18th Congress that are not present in the 17th Congress. I can go on and on about the difference, but please understand that I studied this measure. So, kaya ko lang naman tinatanong, then may pinagkaiba naman po yung 17 and 18.
So, Mr. President, thank you.
Talagang nirat-rat eh, no?
Mr. President, you said that the clarificatory question that you asked, I did not answer. May I know, Mr. President, what question that I did not answer? What question you raised that I did not answer?
Why not?
Just want to clarify, Mr. President, because I want to answer
I'm happy.
as possible all questions.
Yes.
But one by one lang, kasi when you ask questions, talagang parang sampo, Mr. President. So, isa-isa lang muna. Wag yung combination mo na suntok. Pa-jab-jab lang muna.
Pajab-jab lang muna kasi.
May I ask,
Yes, sanay din po tayo sa combination punches. Nanonood din tayo ng laro niya. Hindi, joke lang.
may I ask what question that I did not answer, Mr. President? Just to clarify.
Yes, Mr. President, straight to the point, yung why is His Honor creating a new commission when instead, without exploring, or let me phrase it a different way, would His Honor be open to exploring, at least for the time being, at least during the time of this pandemic, the option of amending the powers of GAB to address some concerns that he has mentioned, and specifically the welfare of the boxers that he said hindi naaasikaso?
Okay, Mr. President.
Why not amend
Sir.
GAB instead of creating a 100 million agency?
Okay, Mr. President. Kasi pag mahaba na, makalimutan hindi ko naman.
So, ang gusto talaga dito ni Manny Pacquiao kasi noon ay gumawa siya ng ibang komisyon na nakatutok lang sa boxing. Nga, yung budget ay magiging 100 million.
Pasagutin ko lang isa-isa, Mr. President. Okay, I will say it again. This bill was proposed before pandemic pa, Mr. President.
Ulit-ulit, yan na naman kanina.
Now, hindi ito itiniming sa pandemic. Kumbaga, approved na ito nung last Congress. Wala po kayo dito.
Ang sinasabi nga ni Pia Cayetano noong 17th Congress, may mga iba na dito sa 18th Congress. Naiintindihan mo ba?
Last Congress, Mr. President. At pangalawa, Mr. President, just to answer all your question para walang masabi na hindi ko sinagot yung question mo, Mr. President. At pangalawa, the function of GAB is different function from this PBC, Mr. President. Magkakaiba po. Like I said, in-explain ko na ano yung function. GAB is only regulatory board, regulatory and supervise giving license. But the function of the commission that I propose this measure is to look and help the welfare of athletes hanggang sa pagretiro nila. Yun po ang function nito, kaya magkakaiba po talaga, especially giving
Kaya nga, ikaw na mismo, aminado, magkakaiba.
SSS, PhilHealth, parang pension sa kanila. Ito po yung magiging function ng commission na ito. So magkakaiba po talaga, hindi po magkapareho. Kasi ang GAB magbigay lang ng license, medical, mag-regulate lang, supervise, and then tama na, pagka-retiro, wala na silang pakialam. Which is, I already witnessed that for the past 25 years in my career, na ang dami kong mga kasama na wala, inutil na doon sa ano, inutil, naghihingi ng tulong, naglilimos na lang, wala nang ano, which is kung nandito itong commission na ito, hindi mapabayaan kasi nakakahiya eh. Nagdala sila, nagwagayway sila ng bansa natin, flag natin sa ibang bansa, nagbigay sila ng honor sa bansa natin, tapos napabayaan natin, nandyan sa kalye, natutulog, nanghingi ng pera, nanghingi ng pagkain. Eh, pangit naman yon na nagbigay ng pangalan sa ating bansa, tapos nakikita natin yung tao na nagbigay ng pangalan sa ating bansa, napabayaan natin. The mission of this commission is to look their welfare, Mr. President. Naalagaan sila na hanggang sa pagtanda nila, pag-retire nila, mayroon nang nagtututok na commission. And I hope that the good lady from Taguig will understand of my explanation. Hindi ko nasagot yung mga tanong mo. I will answer all those questions in terms of backing this mission, Mr. President. Thank you.
Mr. President, thank you for that explanation, but I do not understand the response that this bill was prepared before the pandemic. So what does that mean?
Haba-haba ng sinabi ni Manny Pacquiao, wala naintindihan. Kasi wala naman talagang direktang sinagot eh.
What does that mean? What is the effect of that?
Sorry, Mr. President. Ang ibig sabihin, Mr. President, hindi po ito na tiniming sa pandemya. Kumbaga po, existing na itong bill na ito, approved na po ito, bago pa po nagpandemya. Yun po ang pinaka-point doon sa statement ko po.
Ang pinaka-point nga ni Pia, bakit ka gagawa pa ng iba pang komisyon? Kung meron namang GAB, pwede mo naman lang amyendahan na lang. Idagdag mo na lang doon sa trabaho ng GAB yung sinasabi mo kaysa mag-create ka pa ng bagong komisyon na pupunduhan nga ng 100 million.
Yes, Mr. President, but we are living in the now, and we must be responsible and responsive to what our situation is now. So in the bill that we passed, the CREATE bill that we passed, yung inabot ng pandemic, before the pandemic, that was SITIRA, and the reduction of the corporate income tax was 1% per year. But because of the pandemic, we changed the bill. We changed the bill because we needed an immediate response to help the people and to help businesses. So we immediately decrease the income tax, the corporate income tax by 5% instead of 1% per year. So it is our duty as lawmakers to be the one to adjust. If we will make give the reason that dati pa to, wala pang pandemic noon, then we are not being responsive to the needs of our people. If there is a natural calamity, we pull out funding and we put it in that area that needs assistance for the calamity. Natural ho yun. So the reason I bring this up is because the timing to support the creation of offices. Hindi to pondo, the funding that His Honor is asking for will not even go directly to the athletes. This is for the creation of offices. And when I say His Honor
Yeah, correct.
does not answer the question, I do not understand why there has to be a new office when GAB has regional offices. And hindi po nyo naipaliwanag kung ano yung hindi nagagawa ng GAB na dapat nilang gawin. Now, if it's not in their mandate, then why not amend it? That is the easiest thing to do to save money.
Correct. I-amend mo na lang kaysa gumastos ka pa doon sa creation pa lang ng office ng 100 million.
That is what I'm saying. Is His
Okay.
Honor amenable to that? Let us amend it. Let us do their job. Bantayan nyo ng 1 taon, 2 taon. Kung hindi nila nagawa, mauna akong mag-support sa inyo. Kasi syempre gusto ko na alagaan yung athletes natin.
Mr. President,
Yun.
may I interrupt to Mr. President? To interrupt. Mr. President, we can open the budget requirements for this bill, Mr. President. Pwedeng bigyan ng 500,000, 200,000. I'm sure siguro pwede na siguro yan kung yan ang 1 million, okay lang 2
Mag-create ka ng isang opisina ng gobyerno na titingin sa lahat ng atleta sa tapos gusto mo okay na yung 1 million. Basta gusto mo lang na may pasa talaga to eh. 1 million. Ang projected budget ng isang pag-create ng isang komisyon o opisina ng isang gobyerno ay 100 million. And this is all over the Philippines. Maglalagay ka ng lahat ng mga opisina para nga masuportahan yung mga atleta. 1 million kakasya? Baka pang upa lang yan.
million, wala pong problema dyan. Wala po akong problema dyan as long as na-establish itong Philippine Boxing, no problem with the concern. The main concern of the good lady from Taguig is the budget. I have no question with that. Pwedeng 200,000, pwedeng 500,000. I'm sure. Siguro.
Paano nga masusuportahan yung mga athletes kung wala namang budget?
maintindihan na po yan ng ating mahal na kasama from Taguig. At,
Baka po pwede mag-submit ang ating sponsor ng budget proposal for this kasi kung 200,000 lang yan,
No.
I'm sure between myself and his honor, pwede na tayong mag-donate yan para private fund na lang itong boxing. I will come up with the 100, sa inyo na yung 100. Huwag na natin gawing public kasi like I said, these
Basag talaga eh, no?
boxing commissions are private in many countries because I do not know how you will come up with your offices of Luzon, Visayas,
Yeah.
Mindanao, which you put on record with 200,000. So baka ipasa natin yan, tapos sabihin ng mga tao, o nasan na yung nasan na yung pinangako nyo na may mga opisina, binanggit niyo, nasan na yung welfare fund, 200,000 lang yan. So ako naman po, in the same way that we scrutinize the budget that we are available to provide for health, that's also what I'm doing, Mr. President, because I don't want to overpromise and underdeliver dahil mahal ko din ang athletes katulad ninyo.
sige po, sorry to interrupt po, Mr. President. Ito po para matapos na. I-open lang po natin. It's bahala na po yung DBM. Kung 100,000 ibigay, 200,000, 500,000, hindi lalagyan ng ano doon, ng budget requirements. Ngayon, ay pinasa tapos binigyan na ng budget ng 100,000 ng DBM. Di kung pag-start ng Philippine Boxing sa abot ng aking mga kahit sarili kong pera, pwede kong mag-establish, magtayo para matulungan ko lang yung Philippine Boxing. Gastusin ko yung pera ko, magtayo ako sa Luzon.
Kaya nga, bakit ipa-public pa? Hindi private funded na lang. Di ba? Private organization na lang pala kailangan ng gobyerno. Ba't nandiyan ka pa? Ba't sinasama mo pa yung gobyerno? Ikaw lang din naman pala magpupunta. Grabe.
Visayas, Mindanao para magkaroon ng opisina ang ating Philippine Boxing Commission. Yan po, Mr. President, to shorten the discussion about the budget. I think it's not gonna be a problem anymore. The budget, it's prerogative of the DBM to put up a budget. Kung DBM magbigay ng 100,000 and then so be it, I can help the commission to establish a office niche Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Thank you, Mr. President.
Ganda ho yung idea na binring up nyo na private funding, Mr. President. And like I said, sasamahan ko po kayo, mangolekta ho tayo dito sa mga kaibigan namin, pare-pareho nyo namang fans yan, nakatingin ho si Sherwin, masama na tingin sa akin dahil sisingilin po natin ng donation yan. I think this is the best direction kasi po, sa pagkaalam ko sa DBM, unfunded laws are not favored. Hindi ho mangyayari na bibigyan lang kayo ng 100 or 200,000 ng DBM because they will study the measure and they will give you an amount if they can afford it that is commensurate to the objectives and the mandate of the law. And that is why, Mr. President, I will put on record that DBM in their letter dated March 17, 2021 recommended that the bills should be studied further and to ensure that the functions of the Philippine Boxing Commission will not duplicate and overlap with GAB and PSC. Right now, it is a duplication. Ang mangyayari kasi, you will create offices that will basically be performing maybe 50 to 75 to 90% of the same job that GAB is performing for the other professional athletes. That's why sabi niya, be sure na there is no duplication. Meron mo talagang duplication because His Honor the Boxing Commission will also be regulating. Is that not correct? Meron din regulatory functions ang Boxing Commission na ini-envision ninyo?
Mr. President, to answer that question, Mr. President, yung bill na ito, Mr. President, yung 2077, Mr. President, ay based on the ito, Mr. President, sa sulat ng DBM, sinunod lang natin sa yung sulat ng DBM, almost dito sa sulat ng DBM at saka in-insert po natin yung section 11 ng suggestion ng DBM. Natin yung section 11 na galing po sa DBM. Thank you po, Mr. President. Yun po, kahit magbigay ang DBM ng 100,000, ako tutulungan ko mag-put up ng offices yung Philippine Boxing. Basta kaya ko, sa bulsa ko.
Basta kaya mo? Paano kung hindi mo kaya? Kagi.
If I'm not
Nandiyan
mistaken,
naman si Senator Swing Gatchalian, tutulong naman yan, saka si
If I'm not if I'm not mistaken, this is the same issue that we took up during the health bills. That this insertion of DBM, the provision that says subject to the approval of DBM, is basically relinquishing our power to DBM. This is something that the Senate, no less than the Senate President and the Minority Floor Leader, correct me if I'm wrong, sir.
Pwede pa natin ituloy ito, kaya lang paikot-ikot na yan. Ang dami ng dinaldal ni Pia Cayetano, ang dami ng questions, pero wala talagang nasasagot si Manny Pacquiao. Ang sagot niya, kung ang problema mo ay budget, ako na, kung kaya ko. Paano pag hindi mo kaya? Kailangan pa ba natin na ibalik si Manny Pacquiao bilang senador? Mag-isip-isip tayo mga kababayan. Imagine ito. Gusto niyang gumawa ng iba pang komisyon o opisina ang gobyerno na meron naman ng opisina na tumitingin sa ating mga athletes. Ang sinasabi ni Pia Cayetano dito, mas maganda i-amend mo na lang yung GAB kesa gumawa ka pa ng isang bagong opisina. Mas simple. Pero ayaw niya eh. Gusto niya talaga merong sariling opisina yung mga athletes, especially dito sa boxing.